Okay, question 3c is as follows. The table shows the corresponding value of x and y. Okay, so we can see x there and y there. So what you need to do is start the table and take note of the differences that you can note, and then go to the actual questions. Okay, so question 3c1 is as follows. Find the function that describes the relationship between x and y. So to find the function, what we're going to do first is we are going to come up with the formula. So to find the function, we're going to come up with a formula which is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so m stands for the gradient. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the gradient. So to find the gradient, we're going to use this formula, which is gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick two coordinates from there, which means I'm going to pick the first two coordinates there. Okay, negative 4 comma negative 2 and negative 2 comma 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going now to write the value of y2 is in the second coordinates there, which is 0. Then the value of y1 is negative 2. Okay, is negative 2. Then I hope you are able to see where I'm getting those numbers. Then I'm going to say the value of x2 is negative 2 minus x1 is negative 4. Okay, then I'm going to evaluate that. Okay, 0 minus negative 2 will give us 2. Then negative 2 minus negative 4 will give us positive 2. Okay, and then we say 2 into 2 is going to give us 1. So the gradient is 1. So we can say y is equal to 1x minus c or plus c. Okay, 1x plus c. Okay, now once we've done that, the next thing we need to find is we need to find the value of the constant. We need to find the value of the constant or y-intercept, which is c. So to find the value of c, we are going to use the formula, the same formula. Since we have found the gradient, we're going to say y is equal to 1x plus c. Okay, so we're going to pick one coordinate here. So we're going to pick this coordinate, which is 4, 6. So the value of y is 6, which is equal to 1. Then the value of x is 4. From that coordinate is 4 plus c. Okay, then we're going to evaluate. We're going to write 6. Then we say 1 multiplied by 4 will give us 4. Then it's going to be plus c. Then we put like terms together. Then we have 6 minus 4. The 4 has crossed the equal sign and become minus, is equal to c. Then 6 minus 4 will give us 2, which is equal to c. So the y-intercept value is 2. Therefore, we can come up with an expression or a function which is y is equal to, then we multiply 1 multiplied by x will give us x. So we're going to have y x plus 2. Okay, yx plus 2. Now that is the function. Okay, that is the function describing the relationship between x and y, which is y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, now we go to question C2. Okay, question C2. Okay, question C2 is as follows. Find the value of b. To find the value of b, what we're going to do is we're going to check where b is on those on the table where the values of x and y are presented. So b is here. So the coordinates where b is b comma 2. So y has the value of 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the function which we found in C1, which is the function is y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, now once I've done this, then we replace y, the value of y and the value of x by getting those values from the coordinate we found. So the value of y is 2, so we write 2 is equal to, the value of x is b, we say 2 is equal to b plus 2. Okay, so next we're going to put like terms together. That means we're going to have 2 minus 2 is equal to b. Okay, then 2 minus 2 will give us 0, which is 0 is equal to b. So the value of b in that table is 0. Okay.